Hi, in this video we are going to target the people of age somewhere between 25 to 40 years, and we are going to emphasize on the importance of financial management for this target age group. This video will help beginners in a friendly way and also at the same time will be a guide to managing their finances effectively. Financial goals at the age of 25, you have just landed in an organization, and just don't get carried away. You are poor at the age of 25. Just because you landed in a good organization don't make you super rich. Develop a good frame of mind to work more and more and develop an attitude to get rich. Between age 25 to 40 years, the amount of saving should be as much as that you would be spending it on a EMI of a house or a car. For most of them, car wouldn't be necessary for a job, and use transportation like public, carpooling, taxi, whatever is convenient to you. For those whom car is necessary, you can invest in a good vehicle and ensure that it has no EMI. Preferably a second-hand car or a good first-hand car with no EMI is very important. Prioritize your goals based on your importance and urgency. Goal is a must. It can be a short term, and a long term is very, very important. Increase your income avenues. Just don't keep counting on your salaries. In an estimate, it is understood that salaries are going lower and lower as compared to inflation over a 40 years period. If you end your career in an employment as a salaried person, your chances of becoming rich is very negligible. Seek professional advice. You expect your IPL team to have a world-class statistician, and you expect your coaches on the IPL team to train them, and they have to be at world-class level and a very professional coach. But when it reaches your personal finance management, do you reach a professional advisor? Think about it. Keep educating continually. So track your income and expenses. Budgeting is a very important step, and you can reach your first 5 lakhs very soon with the help of proper budgeting. A realistic budget helps you align with your financial goals. Keep emergency fund. First, saving 5 lakhs is very important, and don't invest all your 5 lakh rupees that you have saved. You should keep 2 lakhs for emergency and start investing this remaining 3 lakhs which is in your hand. In order of investment, follow this order. Maximum returns and gains will come to you. If you're changing the order, there will be a problem. Adequate term insurance will be the first and foremost thing that you should take, and it should be up to age 85 years. Don't listen to people telling you to take it for 60 years. Don't invest in a car or a house and pay EMI towards it. Invest as much as amount that you will be having for a car or loan EMI, and use that for your savings. Now at age 40, you buy a property, and not before that. When you have a total capital, you will be totally debt free, and you will have a totally debt free life then on. Conclusion: during my meeting with my customers, they take a home loan and car loan at the earliest, and probably they take insurance at the age of 40 years. I emphasize you to recap the above steps and start implementing the tips I shared you today. These are long-term steps providing you with a rewarding career. So do follow us and connect with me for more tips and tricks. Thank you for